Hi students, in the previous recorded sessions I sent you about the subject and predicate. Today we shall be dealing about what are the types of sentences. Or basically it's on page number 11, go one step forward in your textbooks. So a sentence can be, what is this children? F-I-S-H, fish swims. Do all animals eat grass? Stop that noise at once. Look at this. All the three sentences are beginning with capital letters. I am not starting with D, small d, or I am not starting with small f, or I am not starting with small s. The sentence, see, this is a sentence. Fish swims. Do all animals eat grass? Stop that noise at once. All these are sentences. एक जुमला ये, ठीक है? All the sentences always begins with capital letter, children. You should not forget. Always the sentence begins with capital letter. You write capital letters, right? Capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, like that. Capital Z. Always, हमेशा, the sentence begins with capital letter. You should not forget that one. ठीक है? चलो. See, this is clear. All the sentences begins with capital letter. Now, how does the sentence end with? It can either end with full stop or question mark or an exclamation mark. Full stop means it is assertive sentence. Question mark means you are asking a question. If I ask you what is your name, you tell my name is Suhana. Full stop. See, I am asking the questions what is your name? It becomes a question. Oh, you come across with so many exclamatory situations. Like you have to feel, you will be amazed, you will be shocked. Like कोई ऐसी बात होती है जिससे आप घबरा डालती हैं तो फिर खुशी के मारे आप फूले नहीं समाते. That is exclamation mark. यानी ताज्जुब की बात. Clear? Look at this sentence now. If I say fish swims, F-I-S-H, fish, S-W-I-M-S, swims. Fish swims ends with a question, a full stop. Look at the word here, do. Do is an auxiliary verb. It means do, we also ask for questioning. Do all animals eat grass? It is a question. सारे जानवर घास खाती क्या? So क्या होता है ये? This becomes a question. So a sentence is ending with a question mark. समझ आ रहे हैं? Why am I inserting a question mark here? Because this is a question. Do all animals eat grass? क्या सारे जानवर घास खाती? एक सवाल या निशान. Now stop that noise at once. Stop that. See, it is an exclamation mark. Stop that noise at once. We ask you, please stop it. Don't shout. We call it, right? We say in the class oftenly, that is an exclamation mark. Is this clear, children? Yes. See, fish swims ends with a question mark and all the sentences, whether it is full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark, but a sentence always starts with question mark. Capital letter. A sentence always starts with capital letter. If I stop here again, if I want to write something, you have to write with capital letter only. Is this clear? Because a sentence always begins with a capital letter. Even while writing also, you have to begin with capital letter only and end with appropriate punctuation marks. So this comma, this full stop, question mark, exclamation, comma, double inverted comma, we call this as punctuation. We call this as punctuation marks. Is this clear? Yes, children. In the next class, we shall solve about the. We shall solve based on this one and activity. You have to understand full stop, question mark, and exclamation. Question mark is always used for asking questions. सवाल पूछने के लिए. And this exclamation mark is always used for when we have a shocking news or amazing news, or when we are so happy and so elated. Then we ask, then we put, or then we insert an exclamation mark. Or if it is just a statement, कोई statement है जैसे कि my name is Suhana, I study in MWA school, एक statement होता है. Then we put it a full stop. Is this clear? Yes, children. So till that one, stay home, watch the videos, study well. Bye bye.